A for sale 1980 Chevy Malibu. I'm going to walk around it, take the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. I'm going to try and block out the wind here for the majority of this. But like I said, 80 Malibu. Finished in factory correct two-tone colors with gray interior. 267 V8. Very nicely optioned. All original sheet metal. If I didn't already say 77,000 miles it is. And I have the window sticker, build sheet, warranty plan, manual, 2 sets of keys, factory hubcaps. But of course, go around it, point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. So we will start here in the front as always. And of course, chrome, trim, grill, all that stuff right here in the front is all original. And it really looks very presentable for the age. I mean, like super nice. And believe it or not, the back bumper is nicer than the front. Of course, being original metal, everything lines up the way you want it to be. Hood fitment to the front nose piece, as well as to the fenders. And it's been repainted, like I said, one time. I'm not really sure how long ago, but there's a couple, blemishes on it from use. You want to drive it, of course. There's a little indent you see here, and I can't make out where the other one is, but there's another one right here, very small. Probably maybe, shutting it with your hand. It's a nice paint. Like I said, not too many blemishes on it. And it had a lot of recent work, actually. Like the tires are brand new, and so are the rallies. With white letters on the inside, would be really cool to flip them. I think the white letter would look really cool. But I'm going to pop the hood here. See, I left that in. You can hear that the key buzzer works. And we'll open the hood up. There's the paperwork. And I'll wait till we block the wind here, but the engine compartment is mint. Very impressive. I mean, look how clean this whole section is. This is clean. It's got an upgraded aluminum radiator, which is nice. But again, clean all the way around. I mean, oftentimes on these V8s and these kind of gear cars, a lot of the paint is gone on the block, and the valve covers just still got the blue paint on there, on the intake tube, on the oil pan as well. I think that's super cool. All your air conditioning stuff back there is mint. Firewall. Nice example. I took a couple good pictures to get an idea. And again, I'm impressed with this, as well as just the underhood being, original insulation quality, clean, stuff like that. Cool. And again, the aluminum radiator is just a bonus. Air conditioning's hooked up and it works. It's power steering, power front disc brakes. Exactly what you're getting in 1980. You see 2 touch-ups right here in the front. It's got the trim around the wheel wells, and I believe from reading the window sticker it would have come with rocker moldings. It's gone, but the tabs are there in case you wanted to add it on. A couple little marks right there. Nice fitment there. No bubbling on the body. Might as well do this whole side and then hop in. Again, no bubbling here. How you want it to be. You see a couple, little minor marks, but nice. Got the wind coming in one more time. The glass is tinted and mint. There's no cracks on it. There's your VIN. And the trim is super nice around the window molding, stuff like that. Very impressive. Top of the car. There's a little touch over here at the top of the car. Painted super nice. I know it was just wet sanded and buffed at some point, not too long ago. You can see a little bit of the white compound that I had to clean off. But anyway. Nice to see these tags still on the door. I made sure to take pictures of that. And look how nice this is in here. again, your original interior, original door panels, carpet, seats, dash pad, headliner. And they all show, you know, light wear on it from age and being original, but very clean all the way around. I shampooed the carpet by myself and made it a little bit, or pretty much as clean as I could get it to be. And I was impressed with how it turned out. No tears in the seats. Seats are clean. There's a big crack and a hole right there, but I have one of those caps that goes over it that's black, so you'd have to like blend it in or vinyl paint it to match, which is nice. At least I have it. It's in the trunk with the factory spoke hubcaps, original steering wheel, horn works, gauges work. This is very clean here. Light works in the glove box. But anyway, laminated build sheet. It was sold new at Art Fenzel. The tag's still on the back. 267 V8. Which, by the way, runs as smooth as silk. Window sticker. This is a Malibu Classic 2-door sport coupe. The options. Two-tone paint was an option, of course. Manual. Have any names in here? No. But I know that the warranty plan does. Delivered with 6 miles. I've also got this. I've also got this. I've also got this. I've also got an old registration. I've also got a fuel economy rating sheet. And then these are some of the receipts. Tune-up receipt. This was a heater. They actually did a heater core, heater hose, so the heater's working. That actually cost $800. I love to see that. There's a receipt for the tires and some of the stuff for the painting, which is super cool. And again, you know, aluminum radiator. Back seat is clean. Nice door panels there on both sides. Those little sail panels that you see are nice. And the headliner is just fantastic. It fits perfectly all the way around. The visors are meant to, no sagging. Oftentimes, you know, these kind of years, they sag a little bit. This is mint. Little, you know, blemish here because it's plastic, you know, probably didn't sit right. But again, look at this bumper in the back. Bumper is sweet. It's got dual exhaust on it. Again, Art Fenzel. And the fitment there is nice. See a little touch up there. Little chip right there that's been touched up. And also this stripe can be peeled off, it's vinyl. There you go, in the back. Newer weather stripping, I would say. Clean in there on both sides. Original under here with the original jacking instructions. And again, I got the cap, 4 hubcaps, spare, tire iron. You can see the jack there. And a little difficult to show you, but the trunk can is exactly how you would expect it to be. Which is mint and original. No repairs. The quarters are, of course, original. This is what I can show you right now with one hand. couple little marks there. Same edge as the other side. No bubbles here. A little mark right there. Again, those little tabs are down there in case you want to put that rocker molding back on it. You see a couple little, marks here on the seat, but the rest of it's super nice. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you'd like to check it out or wanted more information, whatnot, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Anyway, we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Funny guy. Funny guy. Funny guy.
He just woke up and he's cooking steak. No, man. Only moved it over there. Raise the rent again.
Yeah. Oh, the only thing I don't know?
Somebody.
Wow.
8-track? No.
No, that's not an 8-track.
CD?
They didn't have CDs back then. Maybe they did. Jeez. Jeez, mister. It's funny, 1980 and there's only 2 gauges.
Well, a little farther than that, I say.
No, that's it. You know what drives like new? What a dream.
It is. Like a new car.
Oh, it's very similar to that,
Bonnie?
no, the Grand National. The way this is. That was 84.
With the top kick. Yeah, it's really good. I gotta put it to use on the weekend when it's warm.
Yeah, just drive around in it.
No, I gotta move some